Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a full face of famous beauty YouTubers makeup. So it's going to be a fun video. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. I prime my lids. So for eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use Manny MUA eyeshadow palette. So I'll insert a picture right here how he looks like. So his eyeshadow palette is called Luna Beauty Nude Prism. So this is it. The packaging of this eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. I love the cherry blossom and this moon. I like this, so pretty. So now we're going to open this palette, see how it is. And I really love the color scheme of his eyeshadow palette. It's very fall neutral. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna use this shade that is called Bloom for You. It's this one right here, Bloom for You. Very pretty. I'm just gonna swatch it. Look how pretty. It's like a dark plum shade. So I have my shader brush and I'm gonna go to the sparkling shade that is called Sam right here. So I'm going to swatch it for you. This is it. Such a beautiful shimmer shade. Okay, so I'm back. So I didn't have any beauty YouTuber eyeliner and mascara, so I did that off camera, as well as I also did off camera is apply primer to my skin. So now for foundation, I'm gonna use the beauty YouTuber and founder. Her name is called Huda. I'll insert a picture right here how she looked like. She is the founder and the creator of Huda beauty line that is sold at Sephora. So I'm gonna be using her foundation, which I honestly love. So I have it in the shade 300 and Latte. This is a very super full coverage foundation that I love from her. Love her line. Next, I'm going to use a color corrector concealer. This one is by Dragun Beauty. This is how it is in the packaging, and then when I take it out, it's like that. So the beauty YouTuber that created this concealer corrector, her name is called Nikita Dragun. So I'll insert a picture of her right here. Nikita Dragun. So this is the Lavender corrector, so hopefully it will cover these dark circles that I have right here. So I don't know, because I'm putting this baby out also to the test. So this is by Nikita Dragun, her Lavender corrector. And you can see, wow, I'm very impressed. It covered my dark circles a little bit, as you can see. Dragun Beauty by Nikita Dragun Lavender corrector and whatnot. So now I'm going to use Huda Overacheiver Concealer right on top. I'm going to use a regular concealer right on top of this lavender, because this color corrector is just to put underneath to cancel out the dark circles, which it did a little bit. So now I have to put on a regular concealer right on top of it. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Overacheiver Concealer. Remember her name, insert a picture again of her, Huda. She's a beauty YouTuber, and I have this in the shade Sugar Biscuit. Next I have is a blush by Dominque, and it's her cream blush in the shade Soft Pink. So I'll insert a picture right here. Her name is Christian Dominique. Insert right here. So I'm using her cream blush in the shade Soft Pink. Next, I'm going to use a highlighter. So I'm using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. So this person, his real name is Angel, but he really goes by on YouTube and Instagram Mac Daddy. So I'll insert a picture of him right here. So this is it, the Illuminati. It's a loose highlighter. I really love it. It's super pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Look how pretty. So I'm gonna swatch it so you guys know what I'm talking about. Look how pretty. Ooh. Now for the lips, I have Jacyln Cosmetics Poutspoken liquid lipstick in the shade Gratitude. So this one is by the influencer and beauty YouTuber called, her name is Jacyln Hill. So I'll insert a picture of her right here. I really loved her liquid lipsticks, really like it. It's very long lasting, long wearing. So I love this her brown shade that's called Gratitude. So I'm gonna swatch it right now. Definitely pretty for the fall now. Really love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of a full face of beauty girls, beauty influencers makeup. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here and right here, and I'll see you in my next video.